I believe this is a 1919 Underwood standard desktop typewriter. I'm not sure completely on the year. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Take a look at the machine here. It's actually really nice condition for the age, really nice condition. It's got a 14-inch platen. Line space 1 works good. Line space 2 works good. Line space 3 works good. Left carriage release works good. Bell works good. Right carriage release works good. Here is your right margin. Put that right there. And your left margin. Put that right there. Works good. Here is your ribbon selector switch. We have a black and red ribbon on now, so we'll show that to you when I type on it. Here is the ribbon direction controller. You push it in, you get the left side. You pull it out, you get the right side. Push in, left, pull out, right. This winds it up if you want to wind it up. The tabs are in the back. So this is how you set the tabs here. You move them around. And then just, so it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And to activate them, you hit this button right here. It stops at each one of those tabs. Backspace works good. Now when you're looking through the top here, the spools are threaded, as you can see, around that pole and in through the fork here. And these forks need to be pulled all the way back. If you push them forward, that activates a locking mechanism inside of the ribbon and it'll lock up on you. So just got to make sure that those are pulled back. All right, let's type. I'll show you how to feed the paper. So this right here will unhug the rollers when it's pulled down. So if you try to load the paper when that's down, it won't load it right. So if you flip it up, then you can load the paper. So this mechanism is meant for so you could pull out the paper easily if it's down. As you can see, if it's up, you can't pull the paper out easily. If it's down, you can. So keep that up when you load the paper. As you can see, all the keys type perfectly and none of them stick. The print is Elite, which is 12 characters per inch. I'll show that to you when we're done. I'm going to type a sentence. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques. Get a close-up here for you.